Hi, this is Shuman here. I'll just take a short video of our new facility. This is the same bypass. If I travel northwards, it will lead to our older facility and then further to that ITC hotel. The same road is connecting from ITC hotel to our facility. And this building, this is our facility, new facility. It's a 3-storied one. As I move forward, you can see we have just started our operation from here. This is the main gate through which we go inside. This is the entrance, and this is also another shutter. This is about 16 feet high. This we use to get our goods in, or when there is a freight moving out. This is the gate that we use, and normally we will enter through this. The ground floor. This is the electrical panel, inverter, the machine room. Here we house this our injection molding machine. We have enough space to have one more over there. That's the cooling machine through which we get cold water to feed the machine and the molds. The mold, these are operative molds. This is the crane used to fit the molds to the machine. This is Obhijit, our operator, machine operator, and a small tooling section over there. And this is the back side of that shutter room, Amit. And this is the store. Store is at the back of the machine room, and so therefore in the first floor we have the machine, the stores, and a small tool room section. Compressor is located there, it's just below the staircase. The next level is where we have our office. That's the entrance, office entrance. As I go in, there is a passage on the right. There is a conference room. We can house 6 persons over there. The TV monitor where we connect our laptop, so that in case we want to 3 or 4 persons sharing the same screen together. And down the passage on the left is my room, my office. Then adjacent to that, Tony's room. This is a 3D printer that we have. We are yet to get an appropriate software to run this, although we had already brought out samples. Hopefully by another couple of weeks we will be able to run this 3D printer properly. The sampling sections, we have kept the samples here. Then this is an open office. This is Shayantan.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Shayantan looks after all the regulatory bodies and accounts and all. And as you know, we have to still maintain a lot of paper copies, paper records. So this is the filing section. The paper records are kept here. This is another section where we have Shubhojit and others. They look after the molds. This room is kept vacant, mainly meant for Dan or one of you coming when you need to use an office. And over there is Shudipto's room. Shudipto on the.
Good afternoon, Subhanda.
Good afternoon, Shudipto. And now, so we are 5-6 persons using this office. And then as I go up, the next level is where we have our assembly. Up the staircase. This is a fire extinguisher. I hope Dan you will be able to recognize this picture. This was drawn by Brooks. I still hope she still loves to draw and paint. And this is the assembly entrance. A small veranda over there. The QC rig is here. We do Pascal QC over here, and Amitavo is at the sample QC rig. The heat treat, Kalu is doing the heat treat right now. This is the basic packaging section. Then this is the soldering area, soldering and glue area. We have to keep it a little bit separate because we don't want it very windy or airy, so that's why we have kept it separate from the other assemblers. And down still, this is the main sewing section. That's Krishna over there. And that is about all, but this is a small innovations that we have made. Here we actually dry the valves that we have, the wet valves. 2 fans are there located on the top of it, and 2 are there at the bottom, and we put the valves inside. In each chamber there is a batch of valves of 1000, which we use this to dry the valves before sending them out. And the last area that we have, we do have some open space over there. It's the roof. We have put a shade on top of the roof. We use it as a recreation area right now, and for dining and other facilities. We have used this as a storing space also. This is the roof. As you can see, this is the east view. There's a pond just opposite to our facility, and that's the northern view. That's a bird sanctuary over there. They're just across the road. We have a pool table right over there. A carom board. It's an Indian version. It's a small version of the pool. You have to use fingers to strike the carom in, and this is the area. This is the southern section, and that's the eastern side of it. We can, of course, we have permission to make it a stable structure, a concrete structure. If we require more space, we will be using it. But as of now, since we don't need this space, we have just kept it vacant. and after office we use it to play games, to play pool and other stuff. And as you know, I am an amateur about all this taking video shoots and everything. I hope I am able to give you some idea of our office, and do hope that you will come as soon as possible in the near future and see it by your own eyes. Thank you. Bye.